Tingnan natin kung mabigat ba o magaan. Teka, ilang press? Samahan niyo ako today. Nandito tayo sa BYD Lipa. Today is the simultaneous launch ng BYD Shark. So hindi na tayo lumuwas sa Maynila dahil titignan natin yung Shark na naka-display dito. And tomorrow, March 8 and March 9, yung test drive ng BYD Shark dito sa Pilipinas. So guys, puntahan natin. Ito si Sir Joseph. Hi Sir Joseph, good afternoon. Kamusta?
Mabuti naman.
Ayan, balita ko, nandito na yung BYD Shark, ano?
Yes, sir, nandito.
So ipapakita sa atin ni Sir Joseph dito sa BYD Lipa yung inaabangan mga. Actually, overview lang, BYD Shark #1 youth. Ang tawag nila sa Australia is youth utility vehicle. Tinalo niya ang Ford Ranger, Ranger and then yung Toyota Hilux sa Australia. And let's see how it goes, how it fare in the Philippine market. Ayan. So, ayan. Buksan natin to. Ayan. So, we are here at the cockpit ng BYD Shark. Ayan. Ito yung plug-in hybrid to. To, start natin siya. So, ito lang pipindutin natin to start the... Ayan. Makita nyo. Start, stop. So, press ko siya. Ayan na. Yung infotainment niya, grabe. And then, rotating screen din siya. Very commanding, guys. Very commanding ng view dito. So ayan guys, very commanding. Kita mo yung karsada, napakaganda, ang laki. I have a pickup din, meron akong Mazda BT50 ano, pero nakapag-drive na rin ako ng Ford Ranger. Pero masasabi mo ba lang, very comfortable yung upuan dito. Ang ganda nung pillow niya, plush and everything. Ang ganda ng command center, you have the whole command, the whole view of the room, the road ahead of you. Tapos ang ganda ng hawakan niya. So kung talagang rough terrain and everything, may grab handles ka dito. Ang ganda, very generous yung ample space ng ating center console. Yung cockpit niya, guys, yung mga controls para ka nagdadrive ng Lamborghini or Ferrari. I mean, like, ibang klase. Tapos the commanding of the gear selector, napakaganda. So at the first glance, ibang klase to kasi you are driving a pickup and yet ang pakiramdam mo nasa sports car ka. Okay, second row seating, napaka-comfortable. Ang ganda kasi dahil unlike do sa ibang pickup na nakatuwid, hindi nare-recline. Pero kasi ito, yung cushioning niya, yung upuan sa likod, nakahulma na relaxing yung upuan mo. And then meron pa ikaw dito mahigit 1 dangkal na lamang. Take note, naka-atras pa talaga yung passenger seat, di ba? So napakaluwag niya, at the same time, comfortable dito sa second row seating ng BYD Shark. Isa pang magandang feature dito, especially if you have elders or mga anak, ayan, meron siya, napaka-wide ng kanyang rail, ng kanyang foot rail. Ayan. May step bar siya. Built-in na rin, hindi mo na kinakailangan mag-additional. Okay, hands-free na rin siya. Okay. So kahit na nakasabit lang o nakalagay yung susi mo dito, tapos meron dito maliit na button, pipiliin mo lang siya. And then automatic na siya na nag-open. So let's lock the BYD Shark now. And that's what I call complete. Okay. So guys, unlike traditional mga pickup truck or utility vehicles as they call it in Australia, dito napakadali. Kasi yung pickup ko, I had a pickup but my pickup was a 2020 model. No? So upgrades within the year na nagdadaan, so gumagaan siya. Pero this is one of the lightest way and easiest way. Kasi nga, para siyang SUV. Meron siyang tailgate. It's very unusual for a pickup truck to have a tailgate system. But BYD has it. Teka, ilang press? Twice press pala. Guys, medyo kinapos ako sa research doon. So, press twice and then the tailgate will pop open. Ayan, revealing you a very generous amount. As you can see, napaka-flat and everything ng kanyang space. And ang maganda nito, kasama na rin yung mga plastic area nito. Sa akin kasi bumili pa. Usually the pickup, minsan mabibili mo ng bare. But this is the plus factor. Okay, located on the right side of the vehicle, dito sa loob ng trunk compartment niya, ng pickup bed, makikita nyo, meron siyang hindi lang isa, hindi dalawa, kung hindi tatlo na AC outlet. So, ibig sabihin, you can take this for camping. Kung may negosyo kayo, meron kayong trailer, food park and everything, or magka-camping kayo, or there's a need, meron siya tinatawag na V2L. Vehicle to load. Ibig sabihin nun, meron siyang kasama, aside sa wall charger na mapi-free nyo, pag bumili kayo ng BYD, meron siyang kasama na cable na kung saan pwede nyo ikabit ang inyong AC outlet na mga kagamitan, katulad ng blender, katulad ng TV, katulad ng electric fan. If you have an outdoor, if you are an adventurous type, mahilig kang mag-outdoor, kung van life ang buhay mo, very practical and very convenient para sa iyo itong pickup na ito. And of course, pinakita natin sa inyo kung gaano kadali na buksan itong tailgate nito, no? Tingnan natin kung mabigat ba o magaan. So, closing the tailgate or the gate of the pickup truck is as easy as that. So, isa pa magandang feature dito is yung continuous light bar niya. 'Di ba? Napakaganda ng light bar niya. Matatagpuan nyo lang to dati sa mga high-end vehicle katulad ng Audi, katulad ng Maserati, katulad ng mga European car. But now they incorporated this even on a pickup truck. Yung visibility mo at night, chances na mabangga ka from the tailgate mula sa likod is very less. Kasi nga, kahit ma-foggy pa and everything, because of this extending light bar that protrudes on the inner or buong body ng BYD, malayo pa lang, kitang-kita ka na nila. And take a note of this, napakaganda ng kanyang tail light, guys. Tail light niya is 3/4 panel system. Reversing light is very visible din, napakaganda. So, what more can you ask for? And going into the front fascia of the car, let's see kung paano itsura niya. Okay, makita nyo, napakaganda, commanding. Ang ganda ng style niya, accentuate with as long sa ito dun sa tinatawag natin na Ocean Series. Makikita mo yung C-style ng headlight niya. Ito yung DRL niya na C-style. Halogen niya na projector headlight. Okay, this is I think LED. Yes, LED na projector headlight. Maganda yan. Tapos again, continuous yung ilaw niya dito. So at daytime, very visible ka because of the DRL, and at night time maganda rin. And if you notice, sa mga naka-BYD na dyan, manonotice nila na hindi pantay yung ilaw nila. Yung headlight nila, pag nagdadrive sila, mas lamang sa kanan kaysa sa kaliwa. Bakit? Because of this, hindi mabulag or hindi masilaw yung kaharap mo. Medyo mas naka-adjust siya to the angle na very user-friendly, very friendly sa mga kasalubong mo. So, nalilesen yung glare. At the same time, meron siya na auto system. Ibig sabihin, if you set the light on auto, the usual car, pagka dumilim, umiilaw na siya. But sa BYD, katulad na meron akong BYD Sea Lion 6 and with this BYD Shark, pagka naka-on ka, pag dumilim, nag-o-on yung ilaw mo. At the same time, when you are driving on a very dark spot, yung mga probinsya, yung mga road na walang ilaw, hindi very well lit, automatic na nag-a-adjust. Nag-high beam siya at pag may kasalubong or may ilaw, naglo-low beam siya. So that's one of the great key features and benefits of the BYD. Very elegant, stylish, aggressive, sporty look. Makita nyo, the BYD emblem. And if you notice, may camera dito because BYD has a full range of the high-tech ADAS system. Okay, meron siyang intelligent cruise control, meron siyang adaptive cruise control, meron siyang lane keep assist, lane keep departure warning, and a bunch of whole ADAS system na talaga namang magagamit mo and will keep you safe. Actually, pag nagdadrive nga ako ng BYD ko at medyo napalapit yung dating or may biglang dumaan, ilang beses na niya sinagip ako kasi talaga nag-auto braking system siya. And of course, napakaganda talaga ng features ng BYD. And take a look at this. Ang ganda ng styling niya dito. May front garnish siya underneath the bumper. And then at the same time, yung headlight niya is very commanding. Meron siyang low beam and high beam dito. And DRL lights niya is very aggressive and visible at night. So, talagang dinaig niya eh. It resembles the Ford Ranger Raptor, pero in a very unique and BYD style. Ayan. So that's just one of the lineup na paparating dito. Abangan nyo yung E-Max, abangan nyo yung BYD Tang, at saka yung DMI ng SEAL. Alright, once again guys, nandito tayo sa BYD Shark. Ito yung BYD Shark 6 and it has landed on the Philippine market. And of course, kasama natin si Sir Joseph, isa sa mga mapagkakatiwalaan at gwapong-gwapo natin mga sales associate dito sa BYD Lipa, to tell us more about the BYD Shark. Sir, may tanong ko lang, ano yung battery ratings ito? Sukat ng battery nito?
Bali sir, ang battery capacity po niya ay 29.58 kilowatts po.
Ayan, so 29.58 kilowatts. So, I had the impression na akala ko 16.8 kilowatt din katulad ng BYD Sea Lion 6. But of course, ito ay pick up. So, that's a proper reason naman na bakit magkaroon siya ng 29 ba? 29.58 kilowatt battery hour because it utilizes dual motor. It has a 4-wheel drive system and of course, napakalaki naman ang kaha nito. Sir, matanong ko lang, ano yung size ng gulong nito?
Round 18, 265 by 65. So,
Ayan. So 18 guys, 18 inch yung rims niya, 265 by 65 yung wheel niya, yung size ng tire. So napakaganda nito and comfortable if you're driving on the highway and if you're off-roading din. Ayan. Ayan. So talagang napakaganda niya na pang on-road. Pwede siya sa highway, hindi maingay. And pwede rin siya pang off-road because of the wheelbase nga na 26 na wheel niya na 265 by 65. Ayan. Tapos
The BYD Shark 6 is available in the Philippine market for 2,098,000 Philippine peso for the advanced model, while the premium model is available for only 2,298,000 Philippine peso. Both variant has the tested extended range of 1,114 km combined battery and gas consumption.
naman. So invite mo na lang sila sir dito sa BYD Lipa.
oh, hi everyone. Bali, invite ko po kayo for the test drive event po namin. March 8 and March 9 dito po sa BYD Lipa.
Ayan. Thank you very much Sir Joseph. Ayan. All right.